Problem 2. At Megapolis Hospital 1 year, multiple birth statistics were as follows. Sets of twins, triplets, and quadruplets accounted for 1,000 of the babies born. There were 4 times as many sets of triplets as sets of quadruplets, and there were 3 times as many sets of twins as sets of triplets. How many of these 1,000 babies were born in sets of quadruplets? Let's set the 3 variables that we need. Twins, triplets. So actually let's do A, B, and C. So A is the sets of twins that were born. Remember, this is not the number of twins, this is only the sets of twins. B represents the sets of triplets that were born. So not the number of triplets, but how many sets there were. And finally, we have C. C is going to represent the number of sets of quadruplets that were born. Sets of quadruplets, I'm just going to write quad as an abbreviation. So now is when we can write our equations out. We know that totally there were 1,000 babies born. We know that in each set of twins there were 2 babies, so 2A, plus 3B, which means 3 babies per triplet, and 4C, which is 4 babies per quadruplet. In total, there were 1,000 babies born. We know that the number of triplets is 4 times as many as the number of quadruplets. So B is 4 times of C. There were 3 times as many sets of twins as sets of triplets. So A is equal to 3B. So now we're trying to find the number of the sets of quadruplets, which is finding the variable C. As you can see, we have 3 distinct equations to solve 3 distinct variables, so this will definitely work out. We can start by substituting the known variables with C. So we know that A is equal to 3B. At the same time, we know that B is equal to 4C. So by substituting equation 2 into equation 3, we get A is equal to 12C. A is equal to 12C. And now we're going to try to switch all these units into C. So 2A will become 2 times 12C. 3B will become 3 times 4C. The last term stays the same, and we know the total is 1,000 babies. Now we can combine like terms. We have 24C plus 12C plus 4C is equal to 1,000. By combining the coefficients of these terms, we have 40C is equal to 1,000. Now we can divide 40 from both sides, and this gives us 25. So the number of sets of quadruplets that were born would be 25